Which pump are we looking at today?
Hi, I think it should be Tungsten Corp, ticker symbol TUNG. This is a rather odd pump.
Looking at the chart, it seems like it ran for about a week, then it crashed on May 6th.
Yeah, it did, but I'm not quite sure it's really dead. Since the crash, it has recovered to about 94 cents per share. And the odd part is that it ran mostly under the radar.
What exactly do you mean by under the radar?
Well, for one, none of the usual free newsletters that we monitor was used to pump TUNG. Instead, the pump was carried out through paid subscription newsletters, landing pages, and supposedly paper mailers.
I see that a landing page was created on April 10th, and the disclaimer reads that a certain list Tele-Solutions managed a total production budget of $900,000 spent to advertise TUNG.
Yeah, and some people actually say that throughout the pump, this number was changed a couple of times, and at some point it read $2.2 million. But whatever the actual amount, it is just a fraction of what seed shareholders to make on the pump.
Yeah, it does look like a classic setup. According to the company's filings, between August and October of 2008, TUNG issued 700,000 shares at 5 cents per share. The rest of the shares were held by insiders.
And after that, the company did pretty much nothing until 2012. In May of 2012, FINRA approved a 30-for-1 forward split. That split turned the 700,000 shares into 21 million shares, and it also reduced the effective price for those shares to less than 1 cent per share.
Right. The two people who were running the shell resigned from their positions in December last year, leaving space for a Mr. Douglas Oliver to take over. Mr. Oliver, in turn, also resigned from almost all the positions he held and is currently just a director of TUNG.
The brand new all-in-one wonder officer of TUNG is none other than Mr. Guy Martin. That name is also associated with another OTC company, and it's called Coyote Resources Inc, ticker symbol COYR. Coyote was also promoted recently, and it is currently crashing.
And now let's hear from an investor. Sir, what do you think about TUNG?
I would play it, but I'm not going to invest in it.
Right, and why is that?
It's simple. It's a pump scheme.
Okay, thank you. That is certainly an option, but it is a really risky one. There is absolutely no guarantee that it's not just too late to play the pump on TUNG.
Never skip on doing your due diligence and think very carefully before you make a decision about this one.
While there is a theoretical chance that we could see secondary surge if promoters turn to new avenues, there is really no way of telling that this will happen at all.
Thank you for watching. Until next time.
Hello, this is Brian Fisher. I'm the publisher of HotStock.com. You probably landed on this page because you're looking for more information on a particular stock. What you may not know is that this stock is making a chart pattern which has already been seen in the market thousands of times. So if you were able to look up all of the previous times this happened and count how many stocks went up or down after the signal, you would know the probability of this stock. I provided a link to a free piece of software that you can download that will tell you just that. If you're thinking about trading this stock, you may be walking into a situation where the odds are 80% that it will fail, or maybe the odds are 80% that it will go up sharply. Isn't that something that you should know? With one click, you can look up any stock and get the probability. In addition to the chart probability, you can see the earnings trend, the trends in revenue, a consensus of all analyst estimates on Wall Street, and the average price target. If you want more information, you can use the software to get a complete research report on the company. Okay, so this is great for looking up one stock, but what if you want to know which stocks today have the highest probability to increase? That is the big idea behind Hot Stock Precision. This software scans the charts of every single stock on the market every day. You can sort by which stocks have just made signals with the highest probability to make huge moves up or down in the next few days. If you're looking for something more specific, you can see the highest probability penny stocks, the best from Wall Street research, or the best short sale candidates. Our software has already been downloaded by over 200,000 people. We've had reports from users making from $500 a day to over $75,000 a month using this program. Once you have tried it, you're never going to want to trade again without it. But I don't want you to take my word for it, or the word of the thousands of users that have already made great reviews. I want you to try it for yourself, absolutely free. So go ahead and click on the download link. Follow the simple instructions to get your free copy today.